Nike and Ja Morant might have created one of my favorite pair of sneakers for the holiday season, and that's going to be the Ja 1 in the Halloween colorway. Now, one thing that I think that they've been slacking a little bit on with the Ja Morant line has been the colorways. I haven't been a huge fan of them, but always wanted to add the right one to my collection and keep it in my collection. The very first colorway, I got rid of it just because it wasn't something that I was going to wear too often. And on top of that, I really wanted to get a review to you guys and show it off. Now, I'm extremely excited to get a pair of these Halloween colorway because it's just so different and I like that. Now, this colorway has like a lime green on the outside. It has kind of like this rough Nike swoosh going around the entire sneaker. On the back of it, you have these hands that are coming up and kind of crawling like a zombie. And of course, on the sole, you have this pinkish color with the brown and more of that neon green at the bottom. I really like the creativity behind this sneaker just because it's so different. And I don't remember the last time that we've seen like a Halloween kind of theme basketball sneaker. So I'm kind of excited about this one specifically. It's going to be coming in at a retail price of $110, so it's not that bad for a signature sneaker. And it is going to be dropping, of course, in October of 2023. I am extremely excited for these, and I just cannot wait to try to get a pair and, of course, do a review for you guys. Now, I like the different shades of green. You have this olive green, and you have this neon green, and you have this weird kind of pink color that I would assume is kind of like brains for the zombie aspect of it. And of course, you have the Ja Morant logo right there on the tongue. These images are insane. And of course, you have a red Nike swoosh on the back, kind of like a bloody red on the back, and it is also rough. I really like this colorway, and I hope I get to add this into the collection. If you guys are interested, please be sure to sign up for those whenever you see it come and drop on the Sneakers app, or if you can find it on the Foot Locker app or Champs. This is probably going to be one of those sneakers that are very highly sought after, so be after it if you really want them. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. Joel2CB out.